Yeah. Tell me about yourself, Harika.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Harika. I am from Bellampalli, which is near to Manchiral district. I have recently completed my manual testing in Vcube software solutions. And in 2023, I have completed my graduation BTech in Vageshwari College of Engineering in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and with an aggregate of 7.3 CGPA. And my hobbies are cooking, drawing, singing, gardening.
Can you have resume, Harika?
Yes. And my strengths are punctuality and work under pressure. My weakness is stage fear.
Then, if your weakness is stage fear, how can you overcome it?
So now I have started to overcome the stage fear by taking and talking with others, improving my communication to the strangers.
Okay. So, explain your graduation project.
So my graduation major project is battery energy storage based DC dynamic voltage restorer for the DC renewable power protection. So here we are using dynamic voltage restorers for as an electrical engineer we need to provide a quality uninterrupted power supply to the consumers. So that's the theme of our project. Here we are using the DVRs, dynamic voltage restorers. These functions in the dual functions by they store the voltage and give the voltage when there is no electrical supply. So, for example, if we are taking solar, energy provides only daytime. There is no light in nighttime. That's why DVRs provides light, uh, provides voltage to the consumers.
Okay. So, you written it, right? A battery energy storage based DC, right? What is the difference between a DC current and AC current?
So DC means
Don't tell the direct current and alternate current. I know it. What is the difference between a DC current and AC current?
DC current means direct. Before converting the consumer needs,
No, electrical terms. Tell me what is the difference between a DC current and AC current.
so DC current, there is no losses in DC current. In AC current, we have losses.
What type of losses?
I square or iron and copper losses are there.
Give me example of DC application. Any DC application?
TV,
TV is a DC current.
sir, input we are using DC input.
DC input.
Step down DC.
Step down. Tell me what about a rectifier?
So rectifier removes the ripples in the signals from DC signals. Rectifies the signals.
Signals. Okay. What the rectifier will do? It will remove.
Ripples take out the ripples from the supplies.
Can you draw the diagram of AC current and DC current?
So this is AC current, DC current.
Okay. Why that DC current in straight lines?
There is no losses, constant flow of current, no variations in the currents.
Okay. What is that? We are using n number of application in your home, right?
Yes, sir.
Whether they are working AC or DC?
AC.
AC. Okay. What is the voltage?
230 volts.
What is the frequency?
50 hertz.
Okay. Good. So, what is the in induction? We'll use motors, yes, sir. A railway tractions.
Yes, sir.
You know, railway engines, right?
Yes.
What type of motor we'll use in railway engines?
Induction type motors.
What induction type motors? AC induction type motors, DC induction type motors.
AC. AC induction type. Capacitor start, capacitor run.
What is the highest torque having? Which motor has highest torque? DC or AC?
Highest torque. Don't know, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between force and torque?
Force means, sir, exactly difference. I don't know.
Okay, what type of turbines we have? There are different type of turbines, right?
Impulse turbine,
Uh-huh.
rotating turbine.
Uh-huh. Thermal power plants?
Here we are using with the steam. We are providing the electricity.
Okay, what is the source of energy for that thermal power plant?
Sun and heat, coal, sir. By burning the coal, we are
Coal itself,
providing
right? You are
heat.
from Bellampelli, you don't know that is from a coal.
Uh,
Okay, tidal power plants are dealing with
tidal,
idle power plants are dealing with
wind.
wind. Those will call it wind power plants.
Mm.
Idle power plants are dealing with water. Do you know what are the water where we have idle power plants? In Telangana or in
No,
AP? Did never went to Nagarjuna Sagar?
no,
Never went to
sir.
Srisailam?
No, sir.
As electrical student, you have to know it. Okay, leave that. So, what are the key things that you are good on manual concepts?
I am good in software testing life cycle and software development life cycle.
Hmm?
Agile model.
Hmm.
I know all.
What are disadvantages in agile model?
Sir, there is no disadvantage in agile
Every
model.
process will have advantage disadvantages. Agile model
But
should have a few disadvantages.
still we cannot find any disadvantages.
There are few disadvantages. Try to explore it. But anyhow, explain defect life cycle.
Defect life cycle. It is a life cycle where could not reach the expected results.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, it has 7 phases.
Mm-hmm.
QA team find a defect and then with comments QA team deliver the defect to the development team,
Mm-hmm.
and then development team open the defects and find out the bugs, fix the bugs, and then they give to the QA team lead
Mm-hmm.
and then retest the bugs.
Mm-hmm.
And if development team has, if QA team has any work, he deferred the requirement, deferred the bugs document.
Mm-hmm.
And if he have any priority, if he doesn't have any priority works, then he checks the defect documents and he close the documents.
Documents.
He close the bugs.
Okay. Developer will close that bug.
No, sir, QA team.
Then who? Then what next is then? Whenever developer accepts the defect, what will happen?
Nothing, sir. They close the
If the
defect.
developer accepts the defect, will close the defect.
No, sir. He will send that defect to the QA team
Hmm.
and then recheck the defects by the QA team
Hmm.
and bug is fixed.
Okay, good. So let's consider I have 50 test cases.
Yes, sir.
In that 50 test cases, I need to perform regression testing.
Yes, sir.
So what about test case will take?
50 test cases.
And
Passed
under-
test cases. All 50 test cases.
So regression to do regression will take all the test cases again.
No, sir. Already tested test cases we are taken.
I do agree. That's what I already 50 test cases has been executed. Under these 50 test cases, I need to do the regression. In that case, what type of test cases you will consider to do it?
Sir, already tested test cases.
All tested test cases, all the test cases will take
Yes, sir. All the
50,
test
50.
cases we have to.
No, there should be categories where I need to decide which type of test case to be considered, right?
Sir, bugs fixed test cases we have to retest.
Only bugs with test cases.
Yes, sir.
No other test cases.
No, sir.
Okay, and what is the difference between test designing and system designing?
System design involves a development team and they combine and try to give architectural design of the requirements. Only about the system requirement regarding the requirement works.
Mm-hmm.
All the team members and gather and
Pair test designing or system designing?
system designing, sir.
What would test designing?
Test designing is here only QA team will involve and work on the test requirements, and those are test cases and test scenarios regarding the reaching of the requirements.
Okay. And okay, regarding your resume, right? Your resume is good, but only thing is try to add your skill sets related to the manual testing also, right? You have done it,
Yes,
right?
sir, it's
Try to add your technical skills regarding that what you learned, and as well as try to add your roles and responsibilities that you have done in your project.
okay.
In major project, there should be roles and responsibility, right?
Yes,
Explain your roles and responsibilities in your graduation project.
I have a role on team leader.
What are the good qualities of a team leader?
Maintain sharing the work equally and maintaining the works done according to the time, and gathering people, and I motivate team members to do work regarding the project.
That's things, right?
Yes,
You have done
sir.
it, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why you not included in your resume? That is why we need to show it, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I think your resume has to be updated few things regarding your technical skills. You are good on it, but only thing is try to explore more onto it.
Okay, sir.
So if I ask the development agile process, there should be few development agile process. There should be few things that we need to learn in different life cycle.
Okay.
Be confident on it. I do agree. It's the first interview for you.
Yes,
That's why we are arranging these type of mock interviews to remove your fearness.
Okay.
Expose yourself. Okay, then only we can show it, right?
Okay, sir.
So whether you are good on things or not, try to good on more technically, be good on your communications. It's easy for you to crack any interviews. Okay, your confidence levels are good. Only thing is try to give technical sessions more. Okay, and also when you take the interview, right, try to have a eye to eye contact.
Okay.
You're not maintaining that eye to eye contact. That is also good attention to know it, right?
Okay.
Okay, that's the only thing that I can provide from my side. Do you have any questions?
Sir, already have a review feedback on me.
Yeah.
You have given.
Apart from that, any more questions? How
Sir,
you
what
feel
is the
about your
disadvantages of agile model?
or the disadvantage? Try to explore it. That's why I told you, right?
Okay.
And also, yep, that's the only thing that coming to the technical sessions. How good on your manual? How you feel about the things that you are learning, right? Good or bad? Anything you can provide with your resume.
Before this interview, I feel I have learned all, but after your questions, I know what I have to know.
Yeah, that's why we are arranging these type of mock interviews to learn from your side.
By this interview, I learned so many things.
Yeah, sure. That's the way that's why we're arranging it, right?
Thank
So
you.
okay,
Thank
good to hear many things from your side. Take your resume, update your resume. Have a great day then. Yeah.